For today's tip of the day, something a little different, looking at musket full send throw-ins. My favorite throw in the game. There are several holes. Let's start out with lakeside hole 5. We're going to use the accurate windbreak musket off the tee. Aim point about so. Should leave us about 220 to 230 out. Somewhere near those rocks is pretty good. And then the accurate windbreak musket forehand with the middle chevron right on the basket, and with the one wind probably going to leave it right there, and then full send. On Lost Island hole 6, here we're going to go glide skip rive off the tee, and the tee shot here is kind of critical because you don't want to be any more than about probably 215, 220 at the most from the basket. That should be okay. And then again with the musket, accurate windbreak, full send with the top chevron just to the left of the basket. How far left depending on the wind. We're going to go with that and go full send. And at Crow's Nest, hole 9, we're going to go accurate windbreak musket off the tee. And here we just hope for a look at the basket. That's all we need. And then we're going to go the same disc, top chevron just to the left of the top of the basket. How much depending on the wind. For the 2 wind, let's put it right there at the top, full send. And Coyote Canyon hole 2, here we're going to go light glide rive off the tee, and we're just hoping to not get stuck behind the one guardian bush. That's a little farther right, but let's try it anyway. A little further right than what I'd like to be. We're going to go musket full send again, and this time we're going to go top chevron about so far left of the basket and full send. And the last one, Coyote Canyon hole 3, and this one I don't have dialed in because it's not my approach, but I know it's a thing. You can go sapphire or glide musket off the tee, and I know you have to really challenge this left side a little bit because otherwise you'll just be too far away, and you got to stop short of this little mound here too. That looks pretty good. And then the musket full send, put the top chevron somewhere on the basket, and this might not go because like I said I don't have it dialed in, but go full send. And yeah, it didn't go, but it's close. You get the idea. So that is the more common full send musket throw-ins that I can think of that I enjoy, and you can use it in other holes when you're scrambling. You just play with it a lot and you'll start to get the feel for the distance and the shape of that, and it's a really fun throw. So hope you learned something, and we'll see you around the valley.